If you are new to cutting hair, I'm sure all of this feels foreign, even holding your tool. So I wanna show you how to do that so it feels the most natural. So if you're right-handed, put your right hand out just like this and place the clipper like that. That's with the back. I kind of use my forefinger to like guide it and the thumb right in the middle. Now that also helps you to put the clipper correctly on the head. When you go to put the clipper, you do not want the clipper to be pointed that way, and you do not want it to be pointed this way. You want this part to be very flush against the head, just like that. Now the reason you want it to be flush is so you don't get clipper lines. So if it's not flush, obviously you're not going to have a super precise cut with your clipper, and so you might see little lines or you might have hairs that poke out and you miss. So let me just give you a quick demonstration. You put the clipper in. You always want to start below the hairline. So you don't want to put your clipper right where the hair starts. You want to get any little hair below that. So go right here. See how my clipper is super flush? And you go straight up. Now with these nice clippers, you will only have to go over it once, maybe 2 times, and it will get all the little hairs. If your little boy complains about the guards being too sharp, it's not the guards, it's actually the angle that you are putting the clippers on the head. And I promise you, it will get more natural.